Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you very easy step-by-step process on how to remove Gmail from your Snapchat. So let's dive in. Let's start from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon. Once you are on the profile interface, you have to click on gear icon, accessing your settings. Now in settings you have to look for email, click on email. As we all know that Snapchat doesn't have features of removing your Gmail ID. Instead what we can do is that replace your current Gmail ID with new one and hit on continue. So this is how you can remove your Gmail from Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching.